To fix this orange or yellow screen issue on Google Pixel 11, what you need to do is you need to open Settings on your phone. Now once you go to Settings, then here we need to find Display and Touch, and let's go over here to these settings. Now here in a Display and Touch, we can scroll down and search for Comfort Filters. And the first and main reason why you might have this orange screen is because of the night light. It might have a schedule created as well, so in order to make sure that it doesn't turn back on later on, you can of course make sure that the schedule is disabled. But essentially you can turn off the night light over here, and then of course you should have your colors back. Besides that, there is also the comfort view, which also can adjust the colors of your screen, and they might look yellowish. So you might want to check that if that is also not the reason why your screen looks so yellow. And besides that, if we go back again to Display and Touch, then over here we can find the colors option. And here we have the choice between natural and adaptive, and you might prefer one or another. Now it doesn't really turn your screen into this yellow screen or orange screen, but still you might actually see a difference, so you might want to choose that. And also here we have Adaptive Tone, which automatically adapts the display to warmer or cooler tones. So as a result, it might also turn your screen into this yellow screen, or it might add some yellow filter. So you can actually try to turn this option off just in case. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.